Let's have a look.
What was that? I heard some jingling.
What's in Brett's bag?
So what's in Brett's Rubik's bag?
Yeah, in my Rubik's World bag. Have you got one of these yet?
I don't know. Have I? Not that I recall.
I've got
I'll have to
plenty,
get-
and I love them. Hey,
You love them.
I do.
You do love
I put everything in there. Let's have a look what's in Brett's bag this week, people.
All right.
We're in the. Got some dirty undies in there. No, it's not dirty undies. They're not even clean. Aromax car bag. Can I call it a car bag? This is like crushed velvet.
What's
This
crushed
is
velvet?
Isn't it? I don't know what do they call it.
What's
Satin.
crushed? What's crushed about it?
That's what they call it, no? Satin. Oh, it's so smooth.
It's smooth.
Super smooth.
Can I take it home?
Do you want to rub it?
I'm already rubbing it.
Mmm. Aromax.
Don't they just call it velvet? What's crushed?
You put your. I don't know. What would I know?
Doesn't
You
look
put
crushed
your
to me. I
car
haven't
in
crushed
there.
it.
You could even stuff it with newspapers and use it as a pillow. But these are really cool at scuffing your Lexan. You know, when your car's in transport, keeping the dust off.
Yep.
When I'm carrying my bag around, because I like walk a lot, like to the train and whatever. If I've got a car in there, not that this is abrasive by any means, but I'll always put my car in a bag. Put the bag in the bag. Double bagged. Bag it up.
For extra protection. Keep it fresh.
It's like a little pillowcase.
Put your veggies in there too.
Put your laptop in there.
Laptop.
Why not? No, what else is in my bag? What is this?
Paints are back.
Paints are back!
Paints are back.
How exciting is it?
And
How annoying is that noise for everybody?
Oh, everyone's familiar with it. Miraculous. So PS1 and PS5, the most popular colors in polycarb, they're back.
Doesn't excite like a lot of people, but for some people it does.
Oh yeah.
With PS1, like anybody, well, not anybody, I'd say 75% of RC car body that get painted or get backed or white gets used in it. We sell 10 of these, I would say, to every one other color. 5 of these, you know? So when you run out of it, you really notice. And we've been out of it for quite a little while.
Well, you use it for almost everything, don't you? Use it backing.
So, and
colors.
This is still, I reckon it's the easiest, like, quickest and most effective way to paint a body. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And the pigments and stuff is such a good quality. Like people go, oh, the can's small. I mean, if you knew what you were doing, and I usually don't, but you could get 3 bodies out of that. If you just did one color,
is very dense.
Same with the black.
Good. Yeah.
And the black, when you paint it, it's like gloss. I don't know how they do it. It's like a bloody mirror gloss finish.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you're painting with silver or metallics, often people will back with black, or they'll use it. Even decant it, put it in an airbrush.
Yes.
And the white.
Yes.
So if you don't have some, get some of these and put it in your arsenal of goodies. Because when you need it, it's sometimes not available. Is it?
No.
So
they're the PSs, but we've got TSs back in stock as well.
Yeah, for the models.
Yeah. What else you got in there?
9 steps.
9 steps batteries.
You
What's
take one,
They're
and I'll
different.
take one. Yeah, they're different, but they're the same.
Hey, what do you mean?
Well, we're gearing up for another year of racing.
Yeah. Oh, they're stick packs.
Yeah, these are the stick packs, and these are so cool. Now, I have spoken about these before, but I get that excited about them, and it's New Year's racing. You know, start off fresh, start with some new lipos. These are so cool. And, you know, I'm not saying that I've got some that I've abused, but I've got some that I've abused, and they have held up fantastic.
I've been part of that as well.
Yeah, like just thrashing.
Used them.
Yeah. So you really should take like good care of them. I've charged these like at 12 amps.
Yes. Have you?
Yeah, raced it and then charged at 12 amps again. So I wouldn't generally recommend that, but I've been trying to test it and see how they handle it. And they're really good. Yeah, they're really good.
The good thing about these too is, I mean, these are lithiums.
Yep.
And unlike some other lithium stick packs, these actually fit very well in all the repro
They do.
cars.
They do. If anything, it's a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
So it fits really. If it's anything from a Hornet, Grasshopper, Frog, Hot Shots.
Some of the other cases are a bit long, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they're hard to get in.
If you got the TTO1, anything TTO1, because it's still got the side ribs.
Yeah.
So it's designed for old nickel metals. These fit straight in. So
this one here has got a old school Tamiya plug on it.
Yep. And this one that I'm holding has got a Dean style connector.
Yeah, Dean's Ultra style.
Yeah, which is really cool. So if you're just doing a classic rebuild, that's your go-to.
Yep, go straight in.
If you're doing a bit of racing or using it a bit more, usually we upgrade or get the Dean's plug on there just for a little bit more reliability, more than anything.
Yeah.
You know? But yeah, we've really been using these the past year, 9 months. And I've still got the first 3 and they've been really good. So we've got a lot of racing coming up this year. Really good in the phaser class too.
Yes.
4200s, really good, super powerful pack and really good. So I just wanted to talk about them because they get me excited every time I walk past them.
Excitement.
It's just one of those products, Beach, that brings you joy when you use it.
Well, that's right. So it's not all about just having the best and the top end type stuff, is it?
I love the fact that it's neat, it's reliable, and it's robust.
Yes.
That goes a long way with me. It really does.
Yeah.
They look really good. They feel really good. They perform really good. And they keep coming back for more and more punishment. So I know there's not much in my bag this week, but there you go. Compact. I probably should have used my small bag. I could have got away with my small bag.
You could have. There you go.
This next week, I'm going to have bags of these.
What, multiples?
Yeah. Next week, we're doing it from home.
Ah.
I'm going to show you how.
Are you going to open up a big bag and have a whole lot of little bags in it?
Yeah, I'm going to be eating dinner out of my bag next week. I'll show you how.
I want to see that.
I'll show you how I put the bag in the microwave, the little one, and use it as a bento box. Yep.
All right, I'd like to see that too.
Have you ever seen me steam dumplings in my Rubik's bag?
No.
No. That could be a thing.
It could be.
I'm not saying
Oh no.